Okay. Let's say you're putting your new cap on your distributor, on your Vortec engine. All right. And you strip out the screw when you're putting it in. All right. The screw is stripped out. All right. The part in the distributor is actually made out of plastic. Or you broke the little tab off that's on the distributor. Well, not to worry, you don't have to change the distributor. Okay. I'm going to show you in this video the part to get to fix it. Alright. And I'll tell you where to get the part and all. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and fix that broken distributor tab. Okay, we own a Vortec engine. There's your distributor cap in the back. The crab distributor cap. Okay, now these distributors are famous for breaking the little tab off or stripping the screw out. Okay, so when you're changing your cap, and there's two screws, of course, one there, one there. Okay, what happens, this doesn't break off, but what happens on the distributor rather, on the distributor breaks off the, it'll either strip out or break, and once it does that, then it's made out of plastic. You think you have to change the distributor. Okay, so not so. So the way to do it, okay, they make a little plate, okay, which is a pretty easy fix, okay. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. Okay, this is the little plate, okay. Now it has a couple screws with it, okay, and I'm going to show you what to do before trying to install the plate, what you need to do, which makes all the difference in the world if you do it like I showed you. Okay, now what we're going to do is the plate is going to go around the distributor, so we're going to have to pull the wires off to get down in there. So we're going to pull the wires off and we're going to go from there. I'm going to show you the plate and what to do with the plate first. Okay, like I said before, I'm going to show you what we're going to need and how we're going to do it. Okay, this is pipe cleaner. Okay, when we pull this cap off, there's a couple of holes in the distributor that allow moisture to get out, really. And with everything spinning in the distributor, it makes like a fan. And those holes will let air circulate. So all this is just to clean, while you got it apart, while you got the cap off, we're going to clean those little holes. Okay? Then, of course, you need a screwdriver. Now you don't want a real long screwdriver, you want a short one. Because the back one, when you're putting the cap on, here's the back one. To get to the back one, you don't want to hit the top of the truck or the firewall where the hood's at. Okay, so you need a short screwdriver. I got two of them, so I'm not sure exactly how short it's going to have to be. But that way you can tighten this back one up. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take this package, we're going to open it up. Okay, and we're going to, I'm going to show you what to do with the screws. I'm going to show you how to, you definitely need to do this before putting it on. It'll save you some trouble. People try to put it on without doing this step I'm fixing to show you, and they have problems, they really have problems. And you can't really, it's hard to get to it, and you don't want to get in a bond and have a problem with the screws once you start installing it on the truck. So, okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to take the, get the little bracket out of the packet that's come in. Okay, you're going to find 2 screws in here. Okay, that comes with it. It's going to be a long screw and a short screw. Okay. Alright. And what we're going to do, okay, here's the long screw. You see how this bracket is made where it's got a little tab, and this tab is actually, you hold on to this little tab when you're putting it, the plate on. Okay. Now this little tab is going to help you, like I said, when you put your plate on there. Now you'll tell on the distributor which way the plate goes. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run. Okay. We're going to run these screws down into the plate. Okay. Into this little bracket. Okay, we're going to take our screwdriver, and that's really the trick. Okay. That's really the trick before you do this. Okay, is run your screws down. Okay. Now this screw is a straight slot and a Phillips. And this is a straight slot. A Phillips would probably be better. Okay, because with Phillips you can grab and dip more points, more places. Okay, yeah. It's got both of them, but it looks like a Phillips is going to do better. So you definitely want to run them down. Let me get a Phillips. These would work, but it's harder. Okay. And you definitely want to do that. We're going to do this before we try to install the plate. Okay. What we're going to do, got a couple of Phillips screwdrivers this time. What we're going to do is we're going to run them. The writing on the plates here, that goes down. Okay. We're going to put your cap on first. Okay. And this is your back screw, which is going to be the long screw. See how the bracket drops down? Okay. Your cap's going to go on first. Okay. And the screws are going to go like this. So they're going to go in from this direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to run them down, okay, in this direction. Now, it's important that you do this, okay, and it can save you a lot of trouble, a lot of headaches. It's kind of, you don't have a lot of room while you're in there, and the screw might be hard to start. Okay, that one went in pretty easy. Okay, let's take this one from there. Now this one's a little bit harder. Okay, so that's why you want to get it started first. Okay, see, I'm real tight, so I'm backing up, going forward. See, if you try to do that on the distributor, it's not going to work. All right, there it goes. Okay, see, that was the hardest part. It was hard to get it in there. Okay. Once it starts, well, then it goes easy. Okay, so now when we go into the distributor, we don't have that hard section, because you're not going to know if you're really lined up or not. So anyway, what we're going to do is the short screw goes there, the long screw goes there. What we're going to do is take them out. We're going to go to the distributor. We're going to take the wires off to give us a little more room, which I hadn't done yet. We're going to take these. And although it kind of moves around after you get in it, it's okay. It's going to tighten it. Okay. I'll show you how we're going to put the plate on. Okay, now what we're going to do is, this is the front, and this is the back. Okay. This is the front, and this is the back. What we're going to do is the cap's going to be on, okay? Then this is going to go under the distributor. Now this fits, this little notch here is going to fit on your distributor. You can kind of jog, you're going to feel it, it's going to go into place, and you hold it with this little tab, okay? And then this is going to line up. You see, the front one is going to line up. You want to line your front one up first, which is your short screw, and you go ahead and put it in. Okay, it's going to, of course, go through the cap. You're going to put it through the cap and into here, okay, into your plate, and you go ahead and screw that down. All right. Not real tight. Leave it loose. Now you can move this around a little bit. Then we're going to come to the back side, and we're going to. I'm showing you all this right here because you're not going to be able to see it when I get on the truck. I'm going to go ahead and start this screw. Okay. Into this. I'm going to move it around till we get this one started. And it's going to be easy now because we ran those screws down into the holes. Okay? So that's important. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out there. We're going to pull those wires off. And we're going to clean out the little, take this pipe cleaner and clean out the little holes in the bottom of the distributor. Remember, we're going to clean those out with this pipe cleaner. Okay? Of course, this is the old cap. Then we're going to go ahead and put our plate on. And then we're going to tighten her down. And we don't have to get another distributor. That's the main thing. Alright? Now let's go out there and we're going to put her on the truck. Okay, I want to mention I have an Amazon affiliate link on the down below. You're going to be able to go to Amazon and get this bracket. Now you're not going to pay any more for the bracket. Well, just click on my link and it'll take you straight to Amazon, and you can see if you want it. And there's more than one seller selling these, so you can shop around and get the cheapest one. Doesn't make any difference. Just click on the link and it'll get you right to it. Okay, like I showed in the other video, when to pull the wires off, I don't have to mark them anything because they're in line. Okay, you can see under this hose, they're in line right there. They're in the little bracket hole. Okay, notice these pliers. These pliers help. Okay, you don't want to pull on the wire. And this wraps around the boot, and you can pull it out with these pliers. I have this is going to be below in the Amazon affiliate link also. I use this when I change the plug wires. Makes it a lot easier. These things are 11 inches long, so you can reach down into down in here when you're pulling the wires. Okay, back to the cap. Okay, we're going to take the other floor off, and we're going to take the cap off. Okay, we got it in there, and we got it tight. Alright. The way we did it, we put the plate, like I said before, the short screw, which goes towards the engine side. The long screw goes to the firewall side. The writing on the plate, the stamp that's on the plate goes down, and you can hold it with the little tab, and you can tighten it up. Now I want to mention the cap was on there with 20 millimeter torque screws, okay? And this is on there with Phillips. So Phillips head screwdriver. So hopefully that'll help someone. Like I said, I have the affiliate links for that. And the pliers below in my link. Alright. Hopefully that helps someone. You don't have to get another distributor. This will work fine. Okay, we got all the wires back on. And like I said before, I didn't have to number them because of the brackets. Now, if you don't have those little brackets that separate the wires, we suggest that you number them any kind of way you want to number them. You don't have to put the numbers on the cap. You can just put any number you want. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that's it. The cap is good and tight. And that's a quick, easy fix. It wasn't that hard. Just take your time. I use a magnetic screwdriver to put them back in. Like I said, to pull the old cap off, you got a torque 20, and you got a Phillips, like I showed you, to put the bracket on. And that's a quick fix. So hopefully it'll help someone. Like I said, the length will be below for that. Again, I mentioned, and I like these pliers. These pliers are really nice. I'm fixing to change all the wires on this truck. It's old, been sitting here a long time, so it wouldn't hurt to change the wires. Okay, and spark plugs. I got new spark plugs for it. All right. Hope this helps someone.